How to fix Twitter age verification problem. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply launch the X application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on your profile icon right over here, and then inside here, simply tap on profile. Now simply tap on this edit profile button right over here, and inside here, click on your birth date. Now tap on continue and then update it. Make sure it reflects that you are at least 13 years old or older depending on your reason. After that, head back to main settings. Scroll below, tap on settings and privacy. Inside here, you will need to go ahead and simply tap on your account, then account information. Now if the X requires further verification, you will see a prompt here. Follow the on-screen instruction to upload a valid government issue ID and a selfie to verify your identity. Also make sure your email is verified too. If it's not, verify it right now. That's it. These are the fixes for X age verification issue. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.